Hello and welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 ways by which you can shake the installed programs on your Windows 10 computer. I will start with this well-known way of doing that. Just go to the Start. Click on that Start menu and then type Add. When you type Add, ADD, you can see it here, Add or Remove Programs. Just click on that. You will be able to see all the installed programs. If you scroll down, you will see all my installed programs. That is the first method. The second method is by going to the Start menu again, type CMD, that is your command prompt, then hit enter. Let's wait for that to come up. So here is our command prompt. So what we have to do, I already have that the code that I need for this one. Copy that one and then paste, Control V and hit enter. So it will take a while because I have a lot installed, so it will take a while to come up. So as we wait for that to populate, let's go for the third way of doing that. So the third way of doing that is what you have to do is to go to the Start menu again and type Run, RUN. You will see this run here. Just click on that. This will come up. Then go copy the second one. I already have it. Typed shell AppsFolder. Just after okay, let me just paste that one and then click OK. It's coming up here. So as you can see, I have all here is programs on this my computer. Scroll down and you see a lot of them. So this is the final method of doing that. So let's go shake the second. It will take time. It will take time to populate. So as we wait for that, please have a request. Please, below your screen on the right hand side, you will see that red subscribe button. Please support this channel. Subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Like the video and enable that notification bell beside the red subscribe button so that whenever I upload a new video, you will be notified to come check it out. So let's wait for this one to populate. So as you can see, it just populated.